Mastering Vocabulary in IELTS Writing Task 1. Hello, avid learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of IELTS Writing Task 1, and more specifically, we're shining a spotlight on using appropriate vocabulary. Whether you're aiming for a band score of 7 or a perfect 9, using the right vocabulary is key. Let's get started. IELTS Writing Task 1 requires you to write about a graph, chart, table, or diagram. Your aim isn't just to describe the visuals, but to do it in a manner that showcases your lexical range. Here's why. Accuracy. The right words can precisely convey the trends or details. Clarity. Appropriate vocabulary ensures the examiner understands your perspective without any confusion. Range. Demonstrating a variety of vocabulary can boost your band score in the lexical resource criterion. For Task 1, certain types of vocabulary are crucial. 1. Trend vocabulary. Words like increase, decrease, remain stable, or fluctuate help you explain trends. 2. Time-related vocabulary. Initially, subsequently, over the period, and by the end, can assist in structuring your descriptions chronologically. 3. Comparative vocabulary. Phrases such as in comparison to, whereas, and while are vital for making comparisons. 4. Descriptive adjectives. Words like slight, sharp, gradual, or steep help in giving a clearer picture of the magnitude or nature of change. Read regularly. Newspapers, especially the business and economy sections, often have charts and graphs accompanied by descriptions. Observe the vocabulary used. Practice paraphrasing. Avoid repeating the same words from the question or the graph. For example, instead of using increase repeatedly, you can use rise, surge, or grow. Use vocabulary flashcards. Write a word on one side of a card, and its meaning and an example sentence on the other. Review these cards regularly. Avoid overcomplicating. While it's great to use varied vocabulary, ensure that the words you choose fit the context. Misusing complex words can be worse than using simpler, accurate ones. Remember, in IELTS Writing Task 1, your vocabulary can be the difference between an average response and an exceptional one. Keep practicing, expanding your word bank, and always focus on clarity and accuracy. We hope this video has been illuminating, and we wish you all the best in your IELTS journey.